Did you know that you can get AWS exam vouchers for foundational and even associate exams absolutely for free? Huh? Although the process is not very straightforward. That's why I have decided to create this step-by-step video that covers the whole process, how to get AWS exam voucher absolutely for free. Let's get going. And I almost never ask for this, but if you give this video a like, share, and write a comment, then more and more people will be able to see it and get this AWS voucher for free. And before we jump into the process, how to do it, most important thing, we will have to create two accounts into two different portals. One is AWS Educate and the second is AWS Skill Builder. So the email you use to create your accounts has to match. You have to use the same email, basically. And if you already have AWS Builder ID that you use to connect to AWS Skill Builder or, for example, AWS Certification Portal, use that email when you create your AWS Educate account. That is very important. Now let's get going. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to create an account in the resource called AWS Educate. So we Google AWS Educate. Here it is. Click and register now. First name, last name, you select country, city, your birth month, your birth year, your email, programs, I'll pick AWS Educate and AWS Skill Builder. Good, your language, English, create account, verify email. Let's go to the email. Okay, now you go to your email and click the button, and now your email is verified. You will review your application shortly. Does it mean that I have to wait for weeks to get verified? Well, apparently not. I got an email, welcome to AWS Educate, and click here to set your password. Let's click that button. Okay, so yeah, let's set up a password. Why not? Nice. So we are now registered at AWS Educate portal. And now we have to click Emerging Talent Community here. And now we select a badge eligible course. And we have some results here. And let's pick less than an hour, so it is quick. Introduction to Generative Artificial Intelligence. Let's pick this one. All right, so I guess let's start it. Next, pre-course survey. Take the survey. Why do I want to enroll, to prepare for a certification exam? Are you willing to have a follow-up interview? Nah, no, I don't. All right, quiz submitted. What's next? Let's press next. Tool needs to be loaded in a new browser window. Loading. Wow, that's really large course, but okay, let's get started. Autoplay. Just going through the course.
Today, general domain data, beyond the data that you provide. These models can...
Yay. Let's do the assessment. Is there an assessment? Thank you. Okay. Where is the assessment? Now I got it. You have to go to the dashboard, then you pick the course, and then you press next. Next. And here it is, the final assessment. Not very intuitive, guys, but okay. Load final assessment in a separate window. I guess it won't be ethical to record my answers, so I won't. All right, nice, I have passed. Yay. Okay, what do I do now? Do I just close it? Now, after I refresh this page with final assessment, there is a next button. Course survey, do I need to do this? Let's do it. Why are you keeping asking me this? I don't want to interview. Submit quiz, okay. You earned a badge from AWS Educate. Yay! Okay, let's refresh this one. Still 0, why? Okay, now I got a couple of emails. It took some time, but I got them. Congratulations, you have qualified for the AWS Emerging Talent Community. What do I have to do now? So, sign in to Educate account, select Emerging, blah, blah, blah. Complete the onboarding content. Okay, let's do that. All right, now it looks a bit better. You see that this course is marked as completed 100%. And now we see some, this gem icon here. And we do like what AWS says us to do. We go to Emerging Talent Community, home, Complete your onboarding to unlock content and earn your first 100 points. Yay, I love points. Go to onboarding. It will give us 100 points. Congratulations, blah, blah, blah. Complete. Give me my points, give me my points, give me my points. Yes, you see? 100 points. Good. Now we're talking. Let's go to rewards. Okay, so in order to get, what do we want? We want a 100% free voucher, do we not? Right. For the foundational voucher, which is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner and AWS Certified AI Practitioner, we need 4,500 points. We have only 100. Okay, and for associate exam, which costs 150 bucks, we need 5,200 points, and we have only 100. Okay, let's explore this talent community again and see how many points can we get. Okay, we have quite some activities here. You see, so every activity gives you some points, and you basically just go through them and earn those points. What is this? Course requirements. So you get it, guys, right? Not only you need to get these gems points, but you also have to pass some courses and practice question sets. So for that, you will need AWS Skill Builder. Oh, by the way, if we press complete, do we get some gems? Yay, 110. Cool, right? So next thing what we need to do is go and create AWS Skill Builder account if you haven't already. And don't forget that the emails have to be the same with AWS Educate and AWS Skill Builder. That's what we're gonna do. All right, and looks like here you need to use your AWS Builder ID, which you use for signing into AWS certifications, and all these kinds of things. So yeah, you either create a new one, and don't forget that it has to be the same email as AWS Educate, or you use your existing one, which yeah, should be also same. I have one already, so with the same email, so I'll just log in. All right, I'm logged in, and I enroll in the course, and we start learning now. All right, guys, so I probably will not do the course now, which is 430 minutes long, but in any case, it is a prerequisite to get a voucher. And not only the course, but also Skill Builder official practice question sets. Okay, so this is basically how you do it. You collect points by completing these tasks, and then you have to complete the course and the practice exams on AWS Skill Builder. And yeah, then you go to rewards and you claim your associate voucher when you get 5,200 points. I would say this is a bit tedious and time-consuming to do this, but yeah, if you want to get a free voucher and along the way to learn quite a lot of stuff about cloud for free, why not? Why not? Yeah, it's every person's choice to do or not to do this. Also, I have read that people who do all of these tasks, they say that it is not, even if you do all of these tasks, it is not enough to get the points necessary to claim the free voucher. I'll just quickly calculate everything and check if it is right or wrong. 2,440 points, which is indeed not enough. Not enough to get even the foundational voucher. Why did it do that? Can anyone tell me in the comment section? What I would do if I were to pursue this path, I would probably do the exam prep course and exam questions. See, maybe that gives some points, maybe not. And if not, maybe during the time they will add something to this ETC content. Meanwhile, it is for you to decide either to go with this or pay those 150 bucks. Yes, this is time consuming, but along the way you will get some knowledge. Knowledge is never wasted. I mean, knowledge is always a bonus for you. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you all the best in getting the free voucher and passing the exam. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Good luck to all of us, and may the cloud be with you. Always.